ọ̀gá wọn tọ́lẹ̀ jì ẹ mọ̀ wẹ́.
ẹ má tẹ ọ̀gá wọn tọ́lẹ̀ sí ọ̀gá wẹ̀.
yọ̀ọ́ tọ́lẹ̀ jì mọ̀ mánà wẹ̀ wá fún wá sọ̀kù. ìwé kọfà lọ́kọ̀ ẹ.
ìwé kọfà lọ́kọ̀ ẹ.
fiẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀ okome ẹ̀rí yàtọ̀ ọ̀sàlọ́bàgì àyàwó.
ẹ má tiẹ̀ wẹ̀ kàwé tu ada kẹ́kẹ́kẹ́ bẹ̀ yìí ẹ ó yà dàfí wẹ̀ ko ẹ mọ ya fẹ́ ni mọ yàrá ìlànà mọ́kìyàn mi dẹ.
I don't come down here, party one star, but soon we're not doing a full line. I say, I don't feel like my okay, I don't know boy. We're not your capital, la police in any work. You don't know, be ready. I go, I mean, never see a politeness. Where we are going to make what we saw. Then we may not buy, and we make we move with them. I got Lily no saving. E? Ah, where? Ubiagi, ah, wait, Wabi. Nye jase gbe odugbo ni mana tebe ide kun egbe aide de ni egbe posunu ide do gba ma
na gba ma no se me e ko ebo ni ave do muri ebo na no eyin na fe ko ku egbe me yoga
osebore pa me bo na ze no live o wa ku igwe wa duga iyo go do ha
owo won ga ebe nu e je agwa mi pe egbe ẹ̀yin náà fẹ́ kó gbọ̀gọ̀ méje gbé ìmọ̀ oníyàrí abẹ́wò pé ká mi èmi ní àwẹ̀ ìgòdà ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ wá wá wẹ̀ kí àkólé yẹn gbé wá.
ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ wò pé ká mi gbìyàn ẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ rírẹ́ gbìyàn náà máa sáyà gbìyàn bù ọ̀sẹ̀ náà wò bàkẹ́ ìbí náà àgàrí gbìyàn ya ká mi yàn wẹ̀ ẹ̀ kémi náà láìwò náà máa yí mọ́ bùkún wa.
àwọn àgbàlẹ̀ development la gbúrúkọ́tọ̀ ní ẹ̀dùn wọn kì máa ṣẹ̀dọ́
ọ̀sìnẹ̀ ẹ̀ má ta náà wẹ̀ má ṣe gbọ́ alẹ́ tètè lókùnẹ̀tì ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀mẹ́rì gbà wọ́n ní buwọ́ ẹ̀yà kí jájá rẹ̀ ń yẹ ìyàsẹ́ gbẹ́ àdìgbà kẹ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀wò hún ní wọ́n má gbọ́ àṣẹ bọ̀bọ̀ apàtìyàn rẹ̀ àwàjà san pòlíyàn gbọ́ à. ẹ̀ náà kẹ̀kẹ́ kàtẹ́kàtẹ́ dẹ́ni buwọ́ rí yóò dùn bàbá ayé mẹ́nà rí kún wà ìgá gbọ́n yẹn gbọ́n.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mẹ́wàá ṣe náà.
ó yẹ gbé mẹ́rin tu mẹ́ rúdàgbẹ́ ọ̀wẹ́ àgbẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ mà ìgbàgbé ọ̀sẹ̀mẹ́ tẹ̀mẹ́ náà tẹ̀mẹ́ ẹ̀yin náà wà bẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbọ́ wò mẹ́yẹ gbé mi dà sí ọ̀tẹ̀mẹ́ ènìmẹ́ mi wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ jáde ti màgá yìí fún yàn jákà mi yàn gbẹ́ ìbọ̀rẹ́ náà màgí mẹ́ òbọ̀bọ̀ rúdàgbẹ́ òpò ní bùmárì màmá rẹ̀ pọ̀kẹ̀dẹ̀ sùjẹ́sùjọ́ tẹ̀mẹ́ wẹ́ẹ́gbẹ́ ẹ̀yẹ ti mẹ̀mí gbọ́àzẹ̀ nínú ibò náà wá sẹ́ẹ̀bẹ̀ yọ ọgbẹ́rẹ́ àgbẹ̀ náà ìmẹ̀zẹ̀ dó máa ohun ọ̀pá ìrẹ́bù náà lọ́rí gúnmẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀dọ́ rúdàgbẹ́ òun asámúyá.
ara lele ló pè á. People are stop talk to see me. What is the problem? Are you talk finish? Oh, it's me say you people are talking in a yari yaro. Kevin, you are those that do make coco. Whom the hell was the logo? Eh? Where is going now? Eh? Where is going? Oh, I see you are not fit talk English. That is why you are your bugbear. Hey, you are talk Bini. No problem. Oh, you don't beat this time. You people have to talk before. Alalele, I am causing you before. You are persevere. In your body.
Nagede you loma ona ya Greek back we pay you over. Ose Bulgarie, nugeto sobiri pobara. Isi gbega me o epo mare gamaru ipogete.
I beat you. I beat you, Pekin. Eh? I beat you. Wait, they cry. Talk now. I beat you.
Papa, he beat me.
Papa, huh? Papa, he beat you in here?
Yes.
What you do?
Because I chose to for a share, I can't go meet him.
You are brought Cherry for the house?
Yes, Papa.
You are crazy. Why you go to football out here? Eh? Babua. Oh, my boy. If I talk to you, hear what next time. Don't you go out here again. Aguano. Are you coming for here? Go inside. Are you coming for here? Where are you? Ya pe bere o ya fe o fi gbe fi o te for AG house. Lord Jaju.
Ogbana, I think you see your life now. I think you see your life now. Who be up when every day I telling you wanna walk where? Money not be you at all. You are not up here at all. Money not be you. Walk where? You are not for it too. Not the people. Who tell about my the guy? I give Baba the way. Oh, but we were coily. Oh, I'm going to do the bonus. Not a beam. Not a beam. No fire to burn cheese before. Imagine, I don't know. How can I bother me? Imagine they go already made. I go marry with you. Now talk it. Which one you are now there inside now? Which one you are there? Talking now, a boy person. One you
know there. We say me. Maybe you wanna money. I give you no there. Where the pass?
Money I give me no there.
Yeah.
Are you know that this has not?
I know it. I know at all. Where I not try for the house. Uboreba. You era I saw it. Okay, so waro. Go icon. Iyaju are. We are no we are you. I dey go. I dey come.
Where? Are you no money house? Oh, what?
You are the woman at the house. So what you work? You are wanting to sell me market. Ya demire. Which you want me to do? The mau. Tell me. Imaya. You Ogbamese. Now you be. I know it far. I know. Who shall not try for it? Talk now. Now,
Ogbamese. Or better to picky to the house. Why me fiangbo? Why me fiangbo? Why you know Bogwa Ganu Yano?
What do you want? You know Boko Nuda because I see ma talk it. I see ma talk it. Here we hear what I do with it.
Anyway, yes, Oma, as I talk it. 3 days for you now to go to Yikon. Now you are talking it. 3 days now for you to go to Yikon. If bed there, I didn't know. No, I go to Yikon. I'm a great. Then Umana Waverio, a bug more of one. Your body will not be settled one day on Mana soon. When you tell the man I will say, Gagay, I wait there for you now. That day.
No wala.
Wow, what ya? That when money has put to book. You know, for when I saw you too. You know, be a boy, no go. Now you tell your picking me for this is sweet with no. Papa, be them a kick house. Oh, my setting no baby po. Me, Eva wow. No car. For the routine, small team. Makwada or Mausi. We see. Why are you going to tell me? No, you have to wait. You know what they do. I'm for sick. You body not settle. It's your body not settle. You body not settle. Where? And your body not settle. You are not know me. If you are know me, you don't know. Who is you? Who is you? What you fit to do? What set you in the way? What set you? What you fit to do? Look you. You are not lonely once away. They are saying that I live. What stop follow you? What is stop follow you? But anyway. I'm seeing my husband dragger. Husband dragger. But anyway, I'm seeing my mama. I'm waiting. I'm going to say you. Oh, do not mad you again. I take come. Why am I dragging myself for house? As an Orowa. And they have a mupa. Why is an Orowa? Mama, no fly. Mama, no fly. Start to come wish. Mama, no fly. Start to come wish. Start to come wish. Why are you going to be born? Who is stuck? Who is stuck? Who is you? Ask Pisa. Ask Pisa. But you got me. Ask Pisa. You're not a believer. Picky. Me is born. Free for you, call. Or say, where one more water for? Yes, Dada. No friend. Yes, Dada. No friend. Yes, Dada. No. Mama, Picky. As an Orowa. Why, Senorowa? You are so be fair, or what? Say, who that kind of man? 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 You are kind of man wish. Oh my God, you are kind of man wish. Why they wait? You got my man wish. Mama. Why me? Why you want it? And why it's not a good? Also that person. Also that person. You got me. I don't know who give her. You don't know give her. Also that person. Everybody. house.
Who switch like your house? Huh? Jew.
Which house? My papa, I told her. Bro.
This is a good night for you.
I bro.
Name, are you right?
I'm sorry for you. Bro.
You right? Sorry. Come on, Papa. Come. Sorry for you.
My papa, bro.
Come be telling me say I am too tough. Why I not talk before? Why I not talk before? Is that Odi? Is that Odi? What caused that? What is Sunu? Talking to me now why I not talk before for this house. It's a woman like that to talk to my family. It's a woman not talk to your family. You know what I? I question to you now. You are not fit talk answer me. I talk to you now. Woman also get it for Owado. If you are like challenge to me now. Okay, I don't know yourself. You are not there for Ekpa. You are not there for Ubi. You can't fit do what your maker do for us. Today I tire. Tomorrow I tire. So tire. Go Waluche. You are not fit me unara.
Wa be you are. Ona pa wa so wu e. Edeni re pa rubi. Nuna ya yore wo da o gigwe ba re de agbe. Ula di dunu do ri rupo wo aga ni adokpo bono doge ni alare ge ogberi okun we gbe na so. No wo abagbon. Ne se we gbu e. Oku o dan ojo nojo do ejunu. Edeni me de ya. Ede igbagbe ogwa si eme megwaju egbe. Atu.
See you now. Only that you are not to talk. Can you fit talk English? Can you fit talk English? You are not sure for yourself at all. If you are not men now, I'll come out for a way. Say you are talk Bini.
Who were you, man? Who were you, man? Waga kiane yakama. Waga kiane yakama. Na se you are going. Oh, damn. Never got you know. Everybody, we got on my ban. We are ready, another ban. Everybody, we are me. What?
So that you come out to Egbewe. To talk is a monsieur who just you Egbe. Ebu person.
Is that say? Me where of ye? Say. Me where of ye? Say. Me where of ye? Me where of ye?
Now, when I wanted to do, I see say no wash. If you buy illegal, I'm not going to meet and say, although you use since near the other day, no wash. I'm not pay. Finish oh. I know what we see.
Eduzola, I saw you gwina.
Now I wash and will any.
If you are wash it, are you bofi boyo? Who is a cooker or yeah, Wana? Who is a cooker? Oh yeah, Wana. You are using this then. What better work back? Don't know you lofi bo Wana kedera ade. All right now. Degerio no, degerio. You are not wash it well, Kerio. Eduzola. Who is Kono Gyogyo? Know that tortoise is catch for back. No Kono Gyogyo, egi come with we. Yabe. You are Yabe Kakabo. You will not you. If Eduzola is talk to you, then no mark a key. Let me go first. Let me now. The Okoko is side now. Nekakaka no raw. The Okoko no waro now. You are seeing me. You fight push me. Yamwe kumboto. Nana niya. Ekun no work.
Nami.
Binu wana enguna no jewe wana. Kate we buwa. Una body.
Mage musi.
Ino kame o wajuwa. Ide no watapa. And you see yourself with Biko. Nuwana amwe baze.
Why?
Nana, you two now they go for Amoka. Where I'm with before do that, why Vago bring up for work for room, near where I'm Rudan, Wabenica. If not be, why ready?
Miapa, Ekpa.
You see Osaka for your body?
Osaka like this.
I see talking to me?
Osaka like this.
Huh? You are still talking to me?
Amanya waya wese, what did you?
Osipure, everybody say Osiwala. Amaye gbese gita fiame. Iye to me magi ento fo ama welukumi.
Ebi aka be we amena.
Now this is the man who beat me that day.
You are crazy. You are crazy. You not call your father to beat me here. You and your father, I will take you past one road. I will take you past one road. You are my man. Huh? You crazy. Yes, you want to beat me here. You will not wait. You're picking that again if you go to my car. Not talking class. I'm coming where? Now, you should have put in your west here. You should have call it. What call it? Okay? First and last beat your picking or the way down. But I will eat. Are you know? You want to beat me? But you have to go to Mamma.
When you cut my pie again, I'm not because you don't speak English.
I can't wear. I can't wear.
Era your papa is so wow. So zoology. Also, zoology of the gra. George Kuna. A person never to me now. He said, never to you. Where's Sonia? Can you spoke? Look at you. Where can you put them? The woman. Mira, rest the cabo. Oh, Suarakin. What? Where's zoology? I'll catch you cat on us. Okay, come with me now. Come. Fear. Cut it. You not come with me now. Come with me. You not come with me. Yeah, correct. Fear. Cut it now. Cut it. Fear. I'll catch you cat on us.
Where you the woman like bonfo, where I get wow, Tawa Morio.
I won't feel when you was you are. Oh, you know, Mamma. Mamma, get the mother. Oh, yeah, so zoology. Sonia, make us spoke. English language. Where was you? Manas English language. I who pouvait être animal ou oiseau. Like a careful somebody. English language, English language. Sonia, be careful. Spoke now, or spoke English from you spoke. Who said over there? I call him to you. English language.
Elders and people of whatever. You know, we greet you. I and members of my team, on behalf of our company, bring you good tidings. We are here to introduce our business to you. I request or crave the indulgence of the senior elders for me to speak and address this gathering. We got your message, through your son, regarding our project and the benefits that we accrue to you in return. Perhaps you desire to hear from the horse's mouth what you have heard before.
I am seeking past you. You are seeing me now. For you to know. I am professional catabolically. We are a company who is into iron and metal works. And we are also into, other construction projects. As we have told you through your son, we move from one community to the other, where we source our raw materials and land. But if when we may have to accommodate most of our staff. And with the good works of your son here, we have come to your Nevugo. We have decided to come here. And in return for this, we build you good roads,
We'll build you schools, hospitals, and even bring electrification projects to you. But the land we seek to get from you, we do not keep it here. When our project is over, when we are leaving, those lands will return back to you, the community. We don't go away with your land, and we leave all the projects, developmental projects we bring to you, we leave it with you. That's exactly why we have come to reach an agreement with this community. Okay, once again, thank you.
Where bonus there?
Thank you, my brother. Let's not forget, like you heard from my brother, before we go back to our country, we have about 5 communities expected to benefit from this project. 4 have already been attended to, and this your community is the last one if you are interested. 57 applications were received, and we are considering them. But due to the performance of your son here, we decided that we should give priority to your community. And if you so desire, and if the conditions are conducive, then of course we will give your community. There's no time, so we hope that what we are going to deliberate on today will be fruitful, so that at the end of the day it will be beneficial from what my brother has all said. Thank you very much. On your way. Yeah. So job break. Yeah. Thank you,
Oh yeah. Women.
Oyibo kotoki ugwana mi ugwana kotoki ate barara de barara de afofo wa ina Nigeria waga ima we por yo meso kaberie bona do kawe amerupa mu waya moku ala do fi elelidun de upona gbore de kun fise upona gbore de kun fise the day you are gbore there's where kun fise you are seeing people wa vete o pa mami erupa ya kakaji modia wa kabere pe ma wa na ve no you people you are take come now again egbanu wa wono na be do wa re na amariri aye wala wulu wa me people are ready to ima okun ogbu wa enika for you oyibo potoki tegu bana wenu wa do fi ibili kuruda oyibo afofo my man wana kwikwi they are not there for me, it is okay, use a rope to do what me I was saying.
Oh, God, you are doing well. This Onya, you cannot remove your head. Cannot remove your head. Going coming, I like it. Yes. I like it. Project I looking it, bringing it community. I liking it. Every community liking it.
Oh, we are talking.
Understood you we are.
Who got your way, go? At your way, you are Zebo. You are trying well. Come here, Baba. Oh, Kuta, wake with a victory. I'm a Pielena, who were Jamie, are you so good? You will. When you retire, Nika agree.
We are waiting for you. People come together talk. Make we not yet. Me, Okoko. people anywhere. Only green put, we talk it together. We are talking it. We agree. I don't give my kojo.
We were talking. You people, you are come where? When you are come back, so that we will manage to talk better for you people. Totally. I don't miss them. But I say, what the boss is going to do? When you are not going to talk, they look for you. Where they will have fair go. Okay, I don't feel my book. What? Ebola, what? Who are over them? Who are they? How do you know when the Mitaranga? Now, how can you people you for? Any has a when with Taba? I think one a million. Maguya, we are going to the why we
Thank you, my elders. As you can see, we represent a company, and therefore we need to be very careful how we relate in our business negotiations. We pursue a policy of community integration, where our people can live in understanding and in friendship with the host community, so that we are able to carry your community people along. It becomes therefore expedient for every native of this community to be able to communicate in English. If this is not possible, then obviously we cannot stay. We have sent through your son that you learn how to communicate in English, but we do not understand one word spoken here. Because of this, it is not possible for us to deal. You can't communicate. We are not understanding each other. There can't be deal. You can't deal.
No, we're saying I'm not facing your man look Mila. When the Kitadori, or Macque, where you know Fawako is not too. You people are go if it's so.
Please, sir. Excuse me, let me explain to my people so that we can carry them along. They are not getting out. I don't wear a top. Anyway, come where they were. Here, Queen Azedu. I haven't me pay you. Here, we could have you Zedu. I'm an aqua your way. I have a buna. Here, Tilly. My making out going out. Here, home, my home. Okay, then, yeah, now. Only you, my wedding, Master Simaba. You're talking it, I'm talking it. A big women.
Yeah, they know your way, it is setting up. I'm a yeah.
I did for myself. I don't believe I don't know. That's a guaguay. No, walking on a ladder with it. On the power, Maggie.
Where's that?
They know where.
Tell me, Yahweh. Where's that?
They know where.
You speak.
Of course, they know him. I mean, no, you want to.
The guys look at you, we kill. Where?
You can never know what can about Unima. Honestly, I got
My back, wherever we are. What woman in Mana that you want? Oh, woman in Mana, what tafu? Here, Kwe, Ruda, or Bona Megina.
Uda me egu aro. Yeti do amu no wa. Na do me ebele ko aro. Ye na me do amu wa yo mu wa ere.
I greet you people come the land for today. Me Agede is a one philosophy. The man I see making or will I talk it now. This a happy no finish for development you are bring come for we. Open the way of old Kane will go. Why you listed down your say kakabo? Me open the way me can fit Zebo Mawa. Speaking enough for English to you. He's a lover. Why die on me? Out your way, Kevin for land equation. No need to do no. You are well say kakabo for the development you are come bring now for me. When is you come again? We are now with Behowa. I get that. They want philosophy.
Where are we? Gentlemen, he is very enigma. Is it because he's drunk?
If he's drunk and the others drunk.
Oh, I wonder.
So, can we say this? Of course, no deal. We must leave now.
I think I'm going to be celebrating. I can't win a Noriebel. I get this in my philosophy. If Bulgaria no can't do.
We must leave now, of course.
Adeowe, may you live long. My elders, my people around, only our visitors present. I greet you all. All protocols duly observed. With the power of the most eldest man of this community, called Adeowe, and on behalf of people not present here today, we say you are welcome to the land of Okanoyobo, as we are very ready to accept and do business with you people as agreed by the community.
English,
pertaining the dimension of the land which my brother was trying to ask about will not be a stumbling block. You will not drive us from our land. We are not also going to drive you, but ready to give you a conducive place that will satisfy you before we sign any document with you. As we are come to develop our land, we will leave no enemy to us. That is our plan.
Now,
furthermore, my people, they are saying they are sorry for the tune they use. That be rest assured that it shall be an improvement in English speaking as we can just wait for that day to come.
Hey, Martha.
Once again, you are welcome.
We got it.
Hey, we were not. Oh, I'm going to be wrong. I'll get it ready.
Oh, anyway, I get one. I get hey,
I'm out of the way. Let me speak.
Oh, where will my come on?
Oh, where are you?
Na cheetah.
You talk about me.
Where I want to go. You are a cheetah. Wow, Luna. Where women I have coquette. You are carrying purple with my wow. But you would take me.
It's okay. Thank you very much, my elders. I think we have our man. The young man sounded very well, and he has spoken to our understanding. I can assure you now that a deal can be done. In the meantime, we'll now go back and prepare the documentations constituting the agreement. Okay? And the rest assured will send your son back to you, as we are most likely to come back very soon for the necessary signatories. And we can assure you that all is well. And as for the last speaker, who spoke to our understanding, we would like to use the power of the you know, to establish that this man become, you know, the intermediary between the community and us.
The company man, ama imiene, ayeti ori ropa. Odi ma ti ama miewu, ori no. Na ya makpe ewuna yo, we business.
Agwa. Oni ni ma we mama ede ya.
Yeah. Okay, this is our
Elders, I want to leave. I want to go to the farm because I have enough to eat. Good day.
Take off yourself.
You are Chris. Come on out here. On a peu quoi qu'on va violer. Et on a aimé. Asa bagario wa kumene kwe. You are crazy.
Okay, man. This drink, it catch well. It will come for.
And you kuna wama.
Negligibly. Better one. Now tell me. You are serious. Never was very good. Oh, when the chop the over, he say, "Wow,
he may mean one.
It can be big kill the person."
He you know.
Who can hear? People are talking. Say, "The wow man is there because like this. It's control we now." The wow, not control we now.
Eri pota tell you.
As a man, the man.
So man, okay, man. Eh, wow. It's not naughty. It's not naughty. It's not naughty. Already. Who are he?
No talking.
Who are he? Who are he? Wow, is free back me.
Back of food.
Back of food.
Wow, low back of food.
Kakabo. You know ne together. Ega. On a the school. On a the school. Where is this school? Wait a minute. Ubaba. Guy. On a school.
Wow. It's like useless.
You see.
Wow. Emma Boba. Equino.
So I back hello. Ego is in me now. Ego. Hello, you do it. You people are toxic. You are not know what happened at all. I can't. What philosophy? Mama baby Bejena, now, if you want to talk English in Kakafo, why I put a coin you are for? Listen, coin you are for rude. For you to open office, Mita say last you people is a yeah. Oh, tell it. Yeah, Uncle Donny. Where is that? Tell money for what going on here?
I'm getting.
Where we go, man? If I go away, Puna say. So, you are not talkable. Yeah, Uncle Donny.
Split person.
Oh, then you're drinking.
Yeah, what?
That you talking say. Hey, book I wear a lamp of Mazene Maze. They can imagine that cannot sue. That cannot sue. Everyone imagine Agua cannot sue. Nenebu. Here's what they grace to talk. He say, I'm a neighbor. I mean, a bolo. Life no good for.
Left.
Then what about you? We are talking life is not good for person. You call life is good for you. Not go on a woman. Hey, you know, you can't person you put in there for you. The way the time life is better here for you people now. Agmoma en ya when the time agmoma so waka. E can do waje. You can do akanya one. Do wa my life is better here now. Oga mama ewune. Isa become a mama ewu. O wa wa na ma. E bo kanya we amami enne. Ayi say you wa wow,
thank you for that. I'm so man, no real. You can see the mama back home. Why got one here? What talking to now? Talking now.
Uwa, la korie. Mama te kaya de araje. Koi, enwe, ololuwa, muda, enwe, aya go for lake. You kilo for lake. With enwe,
you are here what now?
Hey, this one no man no here talking to where I follow. You see where I know it. If you see it, oh, you are know it. Wow, what you why? No one where I chop up. Where you going to go and be? Mona go sound na water where na water go shower. Also what in here? I don't know there. Ununa. Everywhere. Unu. It will not by way lie. Why set it by here? Why set it by Rafa? Why set it by Rafa? Even for a minute, you can't fit. I'm not about here. Who want to get up? No, not just the ligne. Not the ligne. Mona the ligne. Now this is your fin now. This. Wow, what you are cookie. Not the ligne. Hey, Mona got the family on a ready cry. Where una water go shower?
No mania. Na back of wood. Back banana. Back of wood.
You not a man. When I get one, I go one.
Back of wood.
So, or tell me, this open is open.
What can you do now? What can you do? Na red person. Oh, Yahweh. This is a woman. They have come about. I can't see. Hey, you already know that name. Asabo.
Asabo de masia.
Ay, mama, when not that. Hey, you better no matter Asabo.
Levanta.
Oh, this is Asabo. Asabo is going to be back. I don't believe you.
Eh, matter true.
Why Asabo no bitter?
To beat a woman.
Yes.
Ogyo.
Why when I better woman?
Asabo. Talk it. You say the better woman.
Oh.
I don't got you.
Yeah. Okay, man. I beat a woman.
I don't need you. Oh, what another? I don't get what.
One year, a rush see for road there. 1 year.
Yeah, Papa. I go pick up.
Oh, what time? Oh, what time? Oh, I beat a woman.
Don't tell your why you.
Whoa. Can I so do I? When the now over my G. I can't make it, man. Yeah, better woman. Papa, I big way.
We drink now. Go to house.
If you are big for shit, you see it here. Or just women.
Ayi kuru to roye logo bagayi pinakia. Ije comment ite. You are Christian or your machia. Wage dame agbon aora avec beti coupon meyo. Wega sota osa o tell you pare we yanze. Sukmari maduga gama.
Someone look at me with Tokia or one I made you ne. Okay. Humanity unu me no ruwe o seti ga ye me at all. If you are eating making no ruwe, you are not doing what I do. Ruda. If you put who cannot get away, ebe no they go kill him. Asaba was stuck. You are temere, you are not known for it. That's what Rekoko Dame. Stay where I see that woman. Very nice, Asabo way. Asabo is the one now. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry for Asabo. If you tell me, I get it. The wife philosophy. No me make it. Uga yo unare you are saved. If you are not go come, you are not saved. Dear now, if Freddy come. Freddy for now, he make it inside you. Diva philosophy. Uga yo na bagbe mutia. Udo jere where God talking to me where let there be moon and star. In the likeness of a wow. There you sing along with me. I see the moon see me. God bless the moon and God bless me. Onion Sepe, Runda, if I know Sepe, Umari make it. So far, Emira Deva, or Mazewo, there you choose the moon. Oh, I get that easy, my philosophy. And then you got it so we're no cow. Or then up your appears easy. And then up your appears easy. The devil born is a boss easy. Uga is a not giver. Niziga came boom walking up my Uga is a no gear, not a tick back the muda. Only a conari muda. What? A conari muda. Oh, what? Opea, man, my philosophy. Awade, irio ware. I know one video there.
Yeah, what's up? How you doing?
Don't tell me that. You know I love you.
Oh my God! Hello?
Hey!
I'm coming back. Welcome, Dad.
Your forefather. You are crazy. So, this is the market you do for school. On a Kulado school. Aye, you are looking for a boy. A real inside the food. I say to. I say coming. Aye, who's the baby you are looking with a boy? A real.
How, Dad? I've just received call from somebody. How did you know it was a boy?
Then why then you not come for food? Aye, why you not come for food? When I come, you are not going for food. I say you are not going for food. So aye, money I give for you for school, so you give the boy. You pay what you have money. I suffer for you. You give the boy the money.
Dad, it wasn't a boy. I was just talking with my roommates in school, my girlfriend.
What? So who was aye? Who was aye?
I mean a girl who played together in school, a friend of mine.
Nah. Oh, aye, how well you are? Now you. So ma, who are boy Corey? If you are bring belly to my ass, aye, I come out the time. I give you that.
Development on Asio Kore to Venileme.
I don't understand it. I don't understand this, my dad. Telling me the money he gives to me, I'll be giving it to a boy. How have you been giving me money? Have you ever given me money when I asked? Have you ever given me money when I asked? After all, you go and be telling people that you pay my school fees. My daughter is in school, You do know I sponsor myself in school? Even if I was even talking to a guy. Am I still a baby?
Aye, what you are talking? Aye, what you are talking? Aye, I said what you are talking? What you talk? You know? Aye, what you talk? Aye, you are not still to talk to me. Aye, when you mean? Aye, you are not still to talk to me. Aye, when you mean? Aye, you what different say you are the walk away going to the aye. Me, there. Aye, you are there now. Aye, you are there now. You say I'm not paying money for school. You are. But what you know what man aye? You are saying you are to school, you are not even from a school guy, you are not you are down. If not paid, you die. You die. Complete.
I don't know you people outside. If she's do bad with you, talk it inside. Not take part of the you will be by. Please let it in.
Then you out. Are you in? Then you have replacement. Simple.
No, my serious.
Waiting now. I'm back out. I say, waiting.
See you now. I tell you, we are ready to not the follow for him. See,
Mom, I don't like what Daddy is doing in this house. I don't like her. Have I done anything wrong to him? Have I said anything wrong?
What do you do? What do you do for this house?
You're not talking about the foreign. What is your arena? What is your arena? Wow!
So, it's a play for you too. So, you are quick. You people are young and you're moving here. But let them know.
Hello, baby. I'll call you later, okay?
Hey, Ayi.
I'll call you back.
Hey, call you back. Hey, boy. Me talk, then phone for you. Ayi. Okay. No come on, follow that boss. Get that one. No come. Voila. I die, you die.
Asabo.
Don't come into my house.
Asabo. Go
down.
If I don't like where we were, I'll go down your way. I'm going to get me.
You are crazy. Come into my house. Yes, you are here. Come into my house. Swear your ass. Come into my house. Go.
Oh, sit down. Okay. Friend, you're not good at all. Not good. You're not good. You are a guy for us. You are not fit to go, man. Good. Well, we don't love her.
Sure.
Make by the way. Make by.
No. I'm not this time. If I don't stay, who not kill her bed? Go to there. Baby. What was the house? No, Baba, who not kill you have. Oh, yeah, what? Straight house that you be. You go. Back. Don't come inside. Don't come outside. Don't come inside. Who does grass? Who don't buy away? He said, Wanawa, whiskey, Yanlawa. You plan it all. Very well. Mom, it doesn't zig clear. My eye now, I can saw it. You are papers. You, where? May I go where we want you? Where? Who don't keep it where I don't know one.
I think I'm giving you a back.
Who are wicked? I don't know who I'm wicked. If you are moving where I'm wicked, you will not ever work. Your mama will not get for where you move wicked. Ma, aye, even when I feel one for the war, I have one. I don't know them. Who don't be one move back where you are for 1 year.
What? I'm not the only person in this village.
Noga wesi normal. Egi se wan look pesi pe mi la. Ona ta me pe no ma sapian nu kege ibi pokpan. Weri asame, buka tikita we no torie. Oma venu we oyo no va wa ko ebe va no. Ose bo to be na kwenti be na kwoko. Ejon bi gele gba ma bi yoga iyo ke pe giro. Ebo ipotoki iwe bo ya tegbu wa na mi e. Ebo na je.
Put my son.
Come. You now come. Is you not Asian Pikin?
Yes, I am.
Why you talk good morning to me? Is I your mate? Eh? I am talking to you now. You look at me, boy. Is that you where you greeted your papa for us?
I've just greeted you in English, sir.
You agitated me in English. See you now, you people are going to Kuloyo. To wagia Kuloyo, wani ya uru dagme bonu wasef. Your papa is not telling you that anytime you will see a no one, you greet them.
Well, I'm sorry, sir. It didn't occur to me that way. The fact is, we are restricted from speaking Benin in this land. Am I not correct?
If you are sent of your message, you is now want to tell me that you fit speaking English passing me. Oh my God, we don't catalyze English now with ourselves, with our heart. You talk it now. Talk it now. Talk it English. Talk it now. You talk it now. You are not know it. You are not know it. You are not know it. See you now. You are a Casablanca in a Legwicious squad.
Sir, what is embarrassment? I've overstarted in greeting you. I regard you as an elderly man. I even genuflected when greeting you. So you should mind your approach and respect yourself, useless man. Old fool.
No cost me now. Oh, yeah, like it. Runda, if you are cost me now, I make you an object of radical. Are you here to me now?
I don't blame you. If not for the sake of your daughter, my friend, you would have seen the other side of me.
Who is you?
Idiot.
Who is you? What you can do? I say what you can do. Small thing like you, can you fit drive any major? Oh, I get there. He's a great philosophy. May we talk to me. The man I see making a will. May we talk to. I sorry you. The man your father see me. Your father see me knock your head for grass to us one way.
Well, I'm not surprised to see such like you in the land, because God is a perfect creator. And I will not get carried away for all this you have uttered, because we need to eliminate the whites for them colonize us. And if you are not the type to welcome it, leave it for others who are ready to grab this opportunity as the world becomes global. Idiots.
Look at Uki. Uki is this one you are there so. Uki is logo you. Uki is logo you. You are not no. Oh yeah, leke. Oh, I am not begging you with a nika to come out away from my daughter's life. Runda, setting a leke, a pedigree, a two-way I'm your mom. I can't tell you, say my philosophy. We're not even a Kukurena, who do have women a legion of doom. Come out in my way, you bundle of quack. Are you mess? You are mess. You be really killing. You are gaga if you go too much. Who I saw you now? Where go man? Imalilana, wow, a man know where you are carrying mess. Follow body. You are messy. My Agrippa would death. Agrippa to no. Where there will make you are messy for him. Everywhere in the heaven. Who said it? Cure?
se wo gbe mu dia. Wo ne nya ya oba be wa ya nya oni eni ya.
But if me, when we me hafa.
E po ye igboji ve kita azepe un gege ve fele we deva. Baba go se we gun. Let me go when I dash e yo.